I am by name Egya Abdulkadir Idris. I am here to recite my poem entitled Peace of Heart. Breathe deeply deep into the heart to overcome the enviousness in your heart. Compose purification to activate everlasting heart. Stand bold pride abolish life and use right heart. And the heaven and graciousness of Iman, bound to the Creator and bound to the inferior. The birth and the birth of Islam as real and morality to the Ummah. That to personality. Life is full of ups and downs. Days are count numbered and fixed chronologically. Encode the language of faith and enjoy poets, where talent flows like athletic ocean, inspiration all over the world. A word of a poet is strong as a magnet, a word of a poet to create a society. A poet is always a poet and stand as a poet.